Sahasra, hi.
Hi. We cooked the kitchen set.
Where is your kitchen set?
There.
Wow. What is this?
It's favorite food. If I give it to them,
What is that?
it's eating.
Eating, ah.
Yeah.
Sahasra, how to switch on the kitchen set?
Yeah.
How to switch on the kitchen set?
Huh?
How to switch on the kitchen set?
Okay, love.
Can you make me pasta, please?
Look, if you put on the service taste, we don't get.
Yes, can you make it?
Yeah.
Yeah, please make me pasta.
Okay. I think. Pasta ready?
Pasta ready?
Yeah, I think that's it. Here are.
Wow, so tasty. Egg.
This not egg. This pasta.
Oh, this is pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, can you make me chapati?
Chapati.
Yes.
అది అది కూడా అంతే చేసింది ఇలా ఉంది ఓకే అని ఎగిరింది
Wow, is it cooking, Sahasra?
Yeah.
Wow, what is this?
It's orange.
Oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the oil that you put in there.
Oh,
This
you-
is chapati.
Okay, what is this?
This is potato.
What
And the
ketchup?
potato okay.
సాస్
This is okay.
Is it?
This is okay.
Sahasra, what is the school name?
That's what I said.
Actually, I want to say, yeah.
This is the chapati.
Milk, huh?
Yeah.
Hasi, what are you cooking?
వాట్ యు వాంట్
Baby
బనానా
Hasi wants Cerelac. Sahasra, Hasni wants Cerelac.
milk.
Can you make Cerelac for Hasni, please?
Okay, I make it. And ticket.
Oh, is this Cerelac?
Yeah. This is the salad. This is Chakalu. Eat it.
Chakalu, eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will eat it, baby. Thank you for making it. Sahasra, how many rupees?
And you have to carrot salad.
How many rupees is it?
Have salad. You can mix.
Mix.
No, have a salad.
Hasi Cerelac, okay. Yeah, please make Cerelac for Hasi. Hasi is very hungry.
Okay. Okay.
Hasi, wait, Cerelac is coming for you.
See what is
Akka is making Cerelac for you.